Hey, just want to tell y'all we're at the local county fair here, truck and tractor pull. What do you think about it, Jackson? Was it fun?
Yeah, it's loud.
It's loud, really loud, isn't it? Yep. Anyways, we got all sorts of trucks and tractors here. We got the sleds out. Of course, we got our favorite flags lined up on the flag. Oh, here we go. Boys. What do you think about that one, Jackson? That was a good one, wasn't it? Yep. Alright, we got all sorts. The field are full of stuff, boys. We got tractors, we got trucks, we got stock trucks, diesels, high performance gas engines. We got all sorts of stuff over here. Look at all that out there. Woo!
Farm Service side, Bruce Starwald, second pass. 284.
What do you think again, Jackson? Give us some words of wisdom.
What?
Give us some words of wisdom.
It's cool.
From the man himself. It's cool. Do what?
This is my first one.
Oh, your first one? I think you've been something when you were little.
Well, I don't remember it.
All sorts of people here at the truck and tractor pull. There they are, smoothing the track back out.